Brian Fryer here, excited about today's video. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch it. In this particular video, since we love doing all things video, I thought that we might just share some of our favorite resources. So let's go ahead and go through these items one by one. The first thing I want to share with you is our Foneso, F-O-N-E-S-O, Foneso tripod. It's something that's very simple, very affordable. It serves a dual purpose. You can actually use it as a selfie stick or as a tripod to do a lot of your videos. It has a range of up to 3 feet, so you can set it on here, lower it, raise it, whatever it need be, and your cell phone can slip right into this spot. Foneso, grab it on Amazon for about 20 bucks. All the links to the things we're gonna be sharing today are down in the description below. So when you're making videos, lighting is a huge focal point. The viewer is drawn in based upon the effectiveness of your lighting. So here's a couple of recommendations I have for you. We're going to talk about a ring light here in just a moment, but for additional lighting, a lot of photographers and what have you like to use what they call softbox lights. I preferably, I found these on Amazon. I think they're about 30 bucks, so they're very affordable. The brand that I used is ESDDI. Again, you could just type that into Amazon. I have 2 softbox lights that sit behind my ring light when I broadcast my videos. For those of you doing any sort of Facebook Lives or YouTube Lives or even recorded videos just like this one, I highly recommend a ring light, okay? So I'm gonna talk about 2 different things in this particular clip. I personally have a Neewer ring light. It's N-E-E-W-E-R, Neewer ring light. You can grab one for probably around 150 bucks. I understand it's a little bit more of an investment, but having a source of light like this that is mobile is huge when it comes to doing Facebook Lives and other types of videos, okay? So highly recommend the Neewer ring light. Again, you can see the discounted link down in the description below. There's one other thing I want to add to this particular clip, and that is what they call a live stream device here, to where you can connect it to your Neewer ring light. It's just a simple little clip. Actually, 2 come in a pack, and it can literally attach right here to the top of your Neewer ring light. And this is where I host my cell phone when I do all of my Facebook Live. So it's a holster for your phone right in the middle of the light, so it doesn't obstruct any light, but still allows you to generate great lighting for your videos. Now, there are those of you who are doing online webinars, or you prefer to just stream from your actual laptop or computer, and I wanted to recommend a camera that I personally use for all of our online webinars, and that is the Logitech HD 1080p. Again, I don't use these for any of my live videos. I prefer to use my iPhone, but when I do recorded trainings, Zoom calls, or webinars, I rather use our Logitech 1080p HD camera. It's very simple. I think this one also runs maybe under just 100 bucks. But if you're doing some online presentations, what have you, highly recommend this Logitech camera. The last piece of equipment I want to share with you here today, again, this might not apply to all of you, but again, if you are doing more intermediate to advanced trainings online, you're doing lots of Zoom trainings, seminars, even those of you doing Facebook Lives from your computer or online webinars, again, I highly recommend the Yeti blue microphone. That's just what it's called. I know it's silver, but this provides a crazy amount of better audio when you're doing these broadcasts. One additional component I added was an Phonics filter screen here that I add right here when I'm doing my online trainings and seminars. I keep it about 1 inch or so from the microphone, so a lot of our courses that you may have access to, or online webinars you have attended, and the audio just sounds super crisp and clear. It's because I'm using a blue Yeti microphone. These are a little bit more expensive, probably a little over 100 bucks for one of these online, but again, all of the resources we've shared with you here today are going to enhance your level of video quality, and all the links are down in the description below. Hope this was helpful. Feel free to share this if you found value in it. God bless you. We'll see you next time. Hey there, Coach Fryer here again. I just want to say thank you real quick for watching today's video. I hope you got some value. If you did get some value, feel free to subscribe. Hit the red button just below this video if you'd like to access more free training from us.